television mobiles. Post-production systems. Studio systems. This is the world of the Ampex Systems Group. Ampex Systems, a major force since the early 60s in the design, construction and installation of television systems throughout the world. Today, the challenge of producing a practical, state-of-the-art working system requires a dedicated team, highly experienced and skilled in system design. A major project requires additional manpower armed with new disciplines. Microelectronics has made broadcast equipment more sophisticated, potentially more creative, and much more demanding. The continuing pace of technical innovation has made the role of the systems designer highly specialized. The experience gained over hundreds of systems has put Ampex system designers and installation engineers in a class of their own. The Ampex Systems Group has always recognized the importance of creating an optimum system. To achieve this, we adopt a completely flexible and open-minded approach. To understand your total requirements, we research your needs from both the engineering and the production points of view. Our central computer is programmed with all the statistics of every component that might go into making up a system, from satellite dishes to swivel chairs. Our computer knows the availability, the price, the size, and the weight of every item. For example, we take a vehicle chassis and load it with equipment. As we position each item along the X and Y axis, the computer automatically calculates weight loadings, allowing our designer to correctly place all the equipment, furnishings and air conditioning long before the working drawing stage. And of course, the computer knows about the complete system that we are tailoring for you, right down to the last cable and connector. From this database, information is extracted for use by our computer-aided drafting terminals. Layouts are created for both the electronic and mechanical aspects of your design. Using modern planning aids like these, we can define your needs and present you with a very comprehensive proposal. A proposal that can be easily modified to take account of your changing needs and budget constraints. Once we both agree on your system, we will construct and test it in our factory. No two systems are the same. That's why there is no production line, no robots. Even the most modern television system still relies on traditional craftsmen. We will not ship anything to you component by component. You want a system, not a collection. When we've checked it out, you can come to the factory and see how the system will work in your facility, even before you perform acceptance tests. Careful initial design ensures that we can pack, ship, and install on site with absolutely no hassle. To us, it is a satisfying moment to hand over a state-of-the-art system on budget, on time. And the worldwide Ampex organization will always be there ready to support the facility. The Ampex Systems Group has wide experience in studio design with major installations worldwide. From the studio floor right up to the lighting grid. A system is only as good as its weakest link, which is why every detail is fully considered. How much air conditioning is required for maximum lighting load? Can the intercom be grouped and routed to meet every possible requirement? Are all studio sources accurately timed and equalized with machine assignment systems? Will the machine room cope with future growth? Can the new VTRs and cart machines integrate with any existing automation system? Does the routing switcher provide sufficient signal levels and flexibility? Ampex is the leading designer of post-production facilities, the choice of broadcasters and independents alike. When Ampex introduced ADO, it revolutionized digital effects. In just a few years, the Ampex ACE editor has proven itself superior to all others. ACE is ideally coupled with the new generation of Ampex VTRs. And the new Ampex range of sophisticated vision switchers. Computer graphics are an essential ingredient to any new facility. Ampex Video Art, AVA for short, isn't just a standalone graphics device, but part of a true system, as it controls both our electronic still store and Ampex VTRs. And when it comes to television mobiles, perhaps the best recommendation is that the BBC, after thorough evaluation, chose Ampex to co-design and build its 5 new vehicles. Behind the scenes, at every world event, at every spectacular occasion, you'll find television mobiles from the Ampex Systems Group. Over the past 25 years, the Ampex Systems Group has created a record of achievement which is unsurpassed. the Ampex Systems Group. Broadcast installations for today and tomorrow.